there's a chance I can take, but I can't make amends for things I can't remember. I can only say I'm sorry and occasionally pray. Guess you'll just have to take my word that I've changed after 1,825 days. I was drunk when I made my bed. Now with a half-decade hangover, I lay down in bed. What have I done? Don't know what I've said. It's a half-decade hangover.